evening, my students. As we are going to be practicing number patterns with Max Mathematics Academy. So we are now gonna move on to the quadratic patterns in terms of the number patterns. As you know, there's linear and quadratic number patterns. Now, quadratic number patterns are quite different from linear patterns. The difference is the formula. So this is the formula, or you can use it as an squared plus bn plus c. So in order to find the value of a, we say the second difference, we take the second line's difference divided by 2, then get our a. For b, we can say 3 times a plus b equal to term 2 minus term 1. B is unknown and is what we are trying to find. Then C, we say a plus b plus c equal term 1. And remember, the term 2 and term 1 it comes from the number sequence and not the difference. So we are going to do an exercise and see how we get this. So we got an example here, a number sequence. Now there's a second line difference. In an example, I ask you, does this number line have, or does this number sequence have, or they might ask you as in, is this number sequence a quadratic pattern? And you can say yes, and say as your answer is a second line difference of any number that you get here. This is the first line difference, second line difference. So in order to get a, you can look here and use the second line difference. As you can see, second line difference here is 1. You see, this is the number sequence. Term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. First line difference, there's no constant difference. But in the second line, there's a difference, which makes it a quadratic number pattern. So in order to get a, we take the second line difference, which is 1, divided by 2. So and then our a is a half. Now step 2 is 3a plus b equal term 2 minus term 1. Alright? So in the place of a, we put half. 3 times a is 3 over 2 plus b equal 2. 2, how we got 2 is term 2 minus term 1. 3 minus 2 is 2. So this is our b value. Our c value, you know how we do it. And this is the quadratic general rule for the quadratic pattern. Right? In the next video, we're going to be discussing, we're going to be going through examples, questions, and how to solve a quadratic pattern. Alright? Stay tuned.